Before registering a new user, make sure that you have a valid subscription. Tap Register. If you have set up an admin password to protect your data, go to Admin page and enter the admin password. Return to Registration page and enter the name of new user in proper field. There are different fields for reporting medical professionals, technologists, and admin or IT staff. Let's register John Smith as a new admin user. Enter John Smith in the admin IT field. Tap Save. If the name is registered successfully, you will be assigned a temporary password which is only good for logging in. To change the temporary password to your own, tap OK and the app will take you back to login page. Select Admin IT from the wheel. Select John Smith from the list of registered admin IT users. Enter the temporary password. Tap Login. You will be notified to choose a new password. The temporary password is not allowed for using the app. Enter your own password, which should be at least 8 characters. Enter your new password. Tap Update Password. That's it. John Smith, as a new admin IT user, has the authority to unlock the protected fields in the app.